Hello, everybody. How are you? So, I was thinking a couple of months ago when we all had to go home because of COVID-19, we all had to learn how to wash our hands, right? Well, now some of you are going to start school soon. I thought we would practice because you're going to have to wash your hands quite a lot when you get to school. So I have something here that's going to help show what the germs will be on your hands. So when you go to school, try to keep your hands to yourself. Don't shake hands with anybody. If you want to, you can bump elbows like this. Hi! Okay? Or tap your feet to somebody. Hi! But don't touch them with your hands. And put your mask on in the hallways, right? And wash your hands. All the time, wash your hands as many times as you can. And look, I'm going to put some little tiny sparkles on my hands. Let's see. If I sneeze, let's see. Oh, oh, here it comes. Oh, oh, ooh. Oh no, look. Oh no, germs in my hands. And now my germs, oh, I've gone to that hand. And then I'm going to pick this up. And look, oh no, germs have gone on there too. I'm gonna pick my toy up. Oh no, look, germs have gone on the toy too. Oh no, now he's all sparkly and toys with germs. Goodness me. So now I'm gonna have to really wash my hands. So I have something down here to help us wash our hands, okay? So I'm gonna turn the camera down and you can help wash these hands. Look at yucky. So first, I've got some water and I'm gonna wet my hands with the water. See, wet my hands, but the germs are still on there, you see? So I'm gonna have to use some soap. Give it a little squish, 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 soap. And we're gonna rub our hands. We're gonna sing the song. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Soap will make them clean. Scrub the germs till they fall off. They go down the drain. So let's see. Did it wash off? Did it wash off the germs? Oh, it washed off most of the germs, my friends, but there's still a few germs there. So I think we can sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's see. We rinse off. Rinse off. Now my watch is all soapy too. Oh, yeah. There we go. All clean. Now I can take some paper towels and dry my hands very well. Dry them off very well. Okay, in between your fingers, around your thumbs, around your wrist. Are you washing? And see, it's clean, clean. But you know what? I still see a few little bits of sparkles on my hands. So maybe we can practice one more time with some more soap. Little bit of soap. Here we go. Tops and bottoms. Tops and bottoms. In between. Rinse your hands off really good. Dry them like you should. Clean, clean, clean. I got lots of soap in my water right now. But look, let's see. Another one. Dry off my hands. Clean, clean, clean. Yay! Clean. Clean hands. So that's the right way to wash your hands, my friends. And then the teachers and your mummies are going to wash all your toys too. So we'll wash your toys in the soap as well. Give them a little bit of soap. Boop, and give them a nice little bath. Tops and bottoms. Tops and bottoms, tops and bottoms, in between. Rinse your hands off really good. Dry them like you should. Clean, 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 clean. And then the toys, now nice and clean. We're going to let them dry by themselves. Okay? Dry by themselves. There we go. And you're going to dry your hands off too. And that's how you wash your hands. That's how we're going to stay safe from all these COVID germs. They won't get to us because we're going to wash our hands and then we're going to put our paper towels in the garbage. All clean. See you soon. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.